Hey, Ade. Aro konde kehanan hidishne. Konde 2017 Georgia Navajo 1 Lesson 4 Di Gone Hinane Ka. Topic of this day is the nest. The nest. So we'll probably spend another day for adding to this lesson. So we'll see what happens. Anyway, this is lesson 4. So in this pre-class video clip is hopefully just 5 minutes long. Here it is. This is what we're going to do. We're going to do a brainstorming, which is called activity 1 in Kiss. What we're going to do is answer 2 questions. What do we pick during fall time? And the first one is right here, ego, which means in the fall time. Ego. Na da. Okay, go back. And then the word ego. Ego. Go makes it in. Ego. Na da. And then the rest of it. This is going to be repeated. This is the verb that we're going to repeat over and over, and that is ego. Na da. Ntahitla. Ntahitla. Ne. Ntahitla. We pick. All right. So another one, number 2. These are just possible ones. We can add a couple when we get together. Agonize. Ndahitla. That would be naize. Squash. Another one. Agoneshi. Ndahitla. Okay. And then in class we'll add a couple more. So it's about 2 more things that we can that comes in as Navajos we pick. Okay, now we've got another question that says what don't we pick during fall time? And I got one right here. And we'll give reasons why. Magi, and that's interesting. Coconut. Magi is monkey. Bichiya, it's food. So somehow we came up with the name that coconut is eaten by monkeys. So we just adopted that name today. Magi bichiya. Do ndahitlata. Do ndahitlata. Okay, do ndahitlata. So we don't pick those. And in class we'll do 2 more. Okay, now let me run down to this. We'll also do this afterwards. After our lesson, I'll do a video clip on what we need to pass out. So this is our pass out. It'd be our lesson, lesson/pass out. Okay. After the lesson, it'll become a pass out. All right. Okay. Okay. So lesson 4 and pass out. We'll just call lesson 4 here. Here it is. We'll have 2 statements. We always have 2 statements. And the first statement is ego na da do na izan daitla. And I'll explain na do. And then another one is, and we'll put ego here too. Ego. Magi pichiya don dahitla. Okay. So from there, we have questions that we want to answer. Let's put it in different colors. So it will be, make sure that we have a different color on that. Whoops, not that one. Okay, so probably this one. Nope. I have one here, so where is it? Oh, que. So, like either. And so these are kind of titles, yeah. Anyway, let's go to question and answer. So on in our lesson, when we get together, we'll practice this. All right. You can listen to it over and over. You can get a hang of it. So the first question is hatish. So we've been learning a new word, hatish, and the new word is what? Okay, hatish, and we'll talk about different ways of saying how to say hatish. Okay, short version, long version, medium version. Okay. Anyway, the medium version is hatish ag ego ndahitla. What do we pick? Well, then we can answer it. Na ta do na iza ag ego ndahitla. And then we'll also do this one. Da na ta do na iza ag ego ndahitla. The answer, yes or no question. Yes. Oh. Na ta do na iza ag ego ndahitla. And then there's one that we can put in here that says da magibichiya ag ego ndahitla. And that's not true. So we say daga magibichiya ag ego ndahitla. So that's what we'll go. And after that class, we'll have a pass off on this. Okay, we'll see you in class.